Hey guys, Chris here from LMI Technologies, and today we're going to be doing a quick demonstration of Gocator's Surface Blob tool within the web interface. And so today we're going to be looking at how do we identify random defects on surfaces, especially one that is a curved surface that we see here. So we've taken a scan of this copper tube. I've applied some dents to it already, and I'll show you now how to identify those defects on here. Now, in order to find these defects, we'll need to find them based off of a zero plane. So the first thing that we'll want to do is unwrap this surface using our surface curvature tool. Once that's added, we can see that we get a new surface that is flat while still maintaining the defects on that surface. Now we can create a plane as our reference, and we can add that here using our surface plane tool, and we'll tell it to look at all of the data for this flat surface. Now that we have our zero plane, we'll also want to transform the data to zero it out based off of that plane. So we'll add a surface transform, we'll stream in that data, and we'll use our surface plane now as our input. And once we do that, we can see that the transform surface normalizes across this whole flat surface. Now we can add our Surface Blob tool. And once this gets added, we'll again want to stream in the transform data. And because we're looking at dents, we'll want to look below our certain height threshold, which we see on the right. And so we'll change this from above to below. And these defects are, in the negative Z of 1 millimeter or so. We'll look for anything below negative 0.2. Now that we do that, we can see things are already popping up. But let's say I wanted to focus primarily on circular dents in this case. I can use our circularity filter here, and let's say apply a min circularity in this case. So there we go. We've counted 4 defects, which we see down here at the right. And we can also output values for these 4 defects as far as their X and Y center point, their width, length, and area. And all of this data can be sent to either a PLC and or potentially a robot to rework or identify these locations. So there you go. That's the Surface Blob tool, making it easy to identify high and low spots using 3D scanning.